Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new subscribers. As you can see, I'm grinning from ear to ear, but I'm not gonna spill. Yes, it's a story for another day. Anyways, it's still the Aquarius season and happy new month all of you. And for the Aquarius born in February, happy birthday to all of you from now to the 18th. Yes. It feels so good to be sun-kissed, to see the way I'm glowing and looking beautiful. Like I said, it's Aquarius season and it's time to glow and look beautiful. So, guys, we're gonna be talking about the three decanates in Aquarius. It's not just about the Aquarius. Every astrological sign, be your Aries, Taurus, Cancer, Gemini, Leo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, whatever you are, whatever sign you are, we all have three decanates in each planet. That is to say that, for instance, Aquarius, now because I'm gonna be talking about the Aquarius, they are subdivided into three decanates. That is three 30 astrological days. They are subdivided into 10 days apart. That is to say, these three people are so different entirely and they are sub-ruled by another planet. Like I said, Aquarius is an air sign that is ruled by almighty Uranus. So they are ruled by two planets which I called Saturn and Uranus. Now the energy from Uranus makes Aquarius, gives them the ability to be progresses, to be objective. Meanwhile, the energy from Saturn gives them the ability to be strong-willed, to be strong decision makers, to achieve, to go further, and all those. So today we're going to be talking about the three decanates in Aquarius. Now they are subdivided into three. The first 10 days, the second 10 days, and the third 10 days. Now people born between January 20th to January 30th, they are ruled by the Uranus. These people are great thinkers. Okay, these people are so easygoing with people. These people are so forgiving. They're so loving with people. Like, they're always there. They're always there. They're always, always talking about their desire for things, their aim for achieving a lot of things. Now, Aquarius born between January 20th to January 30th. They are the ones that are so weird. They're the ones that are great thinkers. They're the ones that are so easygoing with people. They are the ones that always thinking about what they'll be doing in the next 5 years, thinking about what they'll be doing in the next 10 years. They're the ones making plans for the future. They're the ones making plans for themselves, looking for how to go further, higher, and how to get to a level that no one has ever attained. And I love that zeal about them. They are ruled by Uranus. Now, those Aquarians born between January 31st to February 8th, they are sub-ruled by the planet Mercury. Yes, we all know that Mercury is the planet of communication. Mercury is the overall ruler of Geminis, and Mercury has this communication energy in them. That is to say that Aquarians born between this month of January 31st to February 8th have the tendency of talking. They are always talking due to the presence of Mercury, the energy from Mercury in them. They are the ones that are good talkatives. They're the ones that are good in writing. They're the ones that are good in storytelling. They're the ones that are always reading. You know what I mean? They're the ones to know the latest song in town. Ooh, have you heard the latest song in town? Ooh, they're the ones to sing the lyrics of a song from beginning to end. Yes, and those guys are so weird, but not as weird as the first decades. Now, the two decades, they are born between February 9th to February 18th. These ones are ruled by Venus. Venus is the planet ruling Libras. So these Aquarians, they are sub-ruled by Venus. These kind of people are those ones that are so emotional. These Aquarians are the ones that cry over little things. These Aquarians are the ones that are so creative. They have this artistic flair in them. They are the ones that they can dance all music. Like, there's no song that they can't dance to because they always have to put in a lot of styles, a lot of energy in doing it. They're the kind of people that really care about what people say about them. Like, I know I'm weird, but I don't think someone else can accept me the way I am. They are the ones that care about how people think. Meanwhile, my favorite Aquarians are the ones born between January 31st to February 8th. Maybe because I'm a Gemini, but those ones are so dependable. They're the kind of people that if they should make a promise to you, they'll definitely do it. They are so um they stand on what they want to do, they stand on their ground. And it's not just that. A lot of people, not just Aquarius, all signs in the zodiac are all made up of different decanates. But two people can never be the same. You know that? Yes, two people can never be the same. Even identical twins can never be the same. But they can have similar character, they can have similar attitude. Do you know why? I'm gonna tell you. And I've seen two different people entirely from that don't know each other from a dance, but they behave alike. And I'm like, oh, you behave like one of my friends. You act like one of my friends. You know why? That is because these two people can be ruled by the same planet. They might have the same moon sign. They might have the same sign in their third house. Anyway, in case you've not looked up for your birth chart, I think it's very important for you to check out your birth chart, your natal chart, so you can be able to know your planetary positions. That is to say, the positions of all the planets, the moment you were born, the exact time you were born. It helps you know more about yourself, helps you know better about yourself. For instance, I am a Gemini and I have a Pisces rising. That is to say that I can be quick to shed a tear. Like, no matter how strong I am, I can cry easily. Oh my god, I think I'm crying already. Don't mind me. And my moon sign is in Leo. That is to say that my personality is that of a Leo. I can be so aggressive when I am upset, when I'm angry, but I can't just because I'm a Leo moon and when I'm upset I can be so aggressive and rebellious. I'll be like, yes, I have every right to be aggressive. Like I said, your zodiac sign doesn't define you. It's very important that you know your weaknesses. For instance, I know my weaknesses, that I can be so rebellious, I can be so aggressive, I can be a fighter, I can be a troublemaker when I'm upset, and I point all these weaknesses and then trying to work on them. That is because that's not who I am, but that's what the universe revealed that is in me. So I have to pinpoint my weaknesses and work on them. That is to say that you can change. People do change. I hear people that say you cannot change. It's a lie. People can change. So guys, I think it's very important that you look up your zodiac signs, look up all your planetary signs, and it will help you work more on yourself. It's very necessary. And two people can never be the same, but they can have a similar attitude, they can have a similar character. That is if they've got same planets ruling them in one of their signs, maybe in their third house, maybe in their moon sign, or maybe in their rising. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn on that bell, that post notification bell. Turn it on so that each time I post a video, you always be the first to get it, you know. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell me what you want me to be doing in my next video in the comment section. I was thinking about compatibility for the Aquarius, but then I can be so indecisive. So guys, help me out. Tell me in the comment section what you want me to be saying in my next video concerning the Aquarius in my next video. If you like this video, once again, give it a thumbs up. It's very important to me, and please comment. I love that. It encourages me. See you guys in my next video, and I love you.